In this quick tutorial, I will show you on how to use Meta AI Facebook Chat Messenger without any stress. So bless me. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you're very new to this channel and you find this guide useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Facebook Messenger AI topics. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to use Meta AI on Facebook Messenger app and how you can actually have access to the free AI on Facebook Messenger app. So if you are using Android phone, the first thing you want to do is to make sure you go to your Play Store. If you are using iPhone, just go to your App Store, and then when you get to your App Store or your Play Store on Android, just click on search right here and make sure you type in Messenger, then click on search. So it takes you to this particular page. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on updates. So you have to update your Messenger app before you can have access to Meta AI on Facebook Messenger. So I'm going to click on updates. Alright, so after successful install the update, next thing you want to do is to click on open. Boom. So it's going to take you to your Messenger chat direct. Okay, just like what you see right here. So for the fact that you have successful update to your Messenger app, so definitely you are going to see this. And at the same time, from the bottom here, you are going to see the Meta AI logo. Okay, now let's see how we can use this Meta AI for AI generated content. So what we need to do is to simply click on here, ask Meta AI anything. Okay, so I'm going to click on that. Then it open up this page. Okay, now what we want to do here is to simply type our question from the top right here. So this is where we need to type in our questions. Okay, so I will simply click and hold down, then I'll paste my question right here. So my question here is just write a short note, write a short post on. So this is my question right here. So write a short post on the following topic: how to be a successful digital marketer in 2024. So that is my post. So I simply send it to AI. So you can see AI has successfully generated my answer right here. So here is a short post on how to be a successful digital marketer in 2024. Want to thrive in this stuff like that and digital marketing world? Here are the top tips to succeed in 2024. Stay up to date with the latest trend and algorithm. Focus on customer experience and personalize. Third, leverage the power of AI and automation. Fourth, build a strong online presence and brand identity. Fifth, continuous measure and optimize your campaign. Up to 8 points was identified right here. So when you are satisfied with what the AI is telling you as a result, you need to simply appreciate the AI by clicking on here. So I'm going to simply click on that, then submitted. Okay, now you can use this particular AI to do anything and it is free. Okay, let's see how we can use this AI to write mail copy for a business. So I have the prompt. I will just copy and paste in the Messenger right here. So let me head over to my prompt notepad and copy my prompt. So I'm going to access from here. Alright, so this is my mail copy right here. I want to write an email. Please write some sample email to convey the information and get people to act faster. The purpose and plan is this and that. So I will just simply select and everything. I'll make sure I copy all my prompts right here. Then I will head over back to my AI chat room. So I'll click and hold down. I will paste, then send. Let's see the result. So AI is writing. So in a few minutes, you can see the result right here. So these are sample templates to write an email copy. Okay, now not only written we can use this AI to do, you can also use this AI to generate high quality images. So for us to do that, we just need to get a prompt and type it in right here, and here you are going to have higher resolution images from the AI. So I'm going to copy a prompt and I will paste it right here. So let's go. So my prompt right here: create an image of a 1930s portrait of an extremely beautiful black skinny black woman with 1930 Afro hairstyle. So I will just copy this prompt right here. I'll make sure I select all, then I'll copy the prompt, then I will head over back to my AI right here. I will click and hold down, I'll paste, then send. Beautiful. So you can see the image has been successfully generated. It's as simple as that. And if you are students, let's see how you can use this AI to solve some mathematics question, physics or chemistry, biology or what have you. So let's see how we can use this AI to generate a relevant answer as far as student questions and is concerned. Okay. Alright, so here's my prompt right here. I want you to play a physics teacher. I want you to play a role of physics teacher. I will provide some questions. So right here, I'll provide some questions and it is your job to solve them. This may include providing step-by-step instructions to solve the problem. By first question is, can you please tell me how to write question in physics? Okay, then I'll simply highlight and I will select all. I'll copy, then I will head over back to AI right here. I will just click and hold down, paste, then I'll send. So let's see the result. So as a physics teacher, I will be happy to help you with that. When writing questions in physics, it is essential to be clear, concise, specific and stuff like that. So you can see questions here. Here are examples of a well-structured questions. This is question 1. So I can simply make use of this question here that was generated by AI. So for me to do that, I will simply click and hold down. I will copy. Then I need to edit this message right here. So I need only question. So this is the question right here. So I will just highlight everything from top to the bottom. Okay. Then I will make sure I copy. Then I simply go back to my chat AI right here. I'll click and hold down. Then I will paste my question, my physics questions right here, and I will send. So while we wait for the result, take a look at it. In just a few seconds, it's going to break down everything and solve the question in a simple manner, and it's going to even arrange it mathematically. So this is how you can explore and how you can use Meta AI to do different tasks as far as AI is concerned, and this is all free. So I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial on how to use AI too. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.